everlasting love. I have called you and you are mine. I am Kiran, born in Jharkhand, India. I belong to a big family where I am loved and cared by all my family members. The simple faith of my parents helped me to answer God's call. The phrase from the Bible, Jeremiah 1 verses 5, which says, I knew you before I formed you in your mother's womb. I firmly believe in this Bible verse that God knows me when I was formed in the womb of my mother. And God calls me to respond to his invitation. I narrate my vocation story like this. There was wedding of my uncle and we had grand celebration. Many people had gathered, including the priest and religious. In the midst of this celebration, I felt the strong call of God to a religious life. There was one priest who just asked me about whether I want to be a religious sister. Without knowing anything, I said yes. He encouraged me to go and see. I entered the congregation of Carmelite missionaries in India. I lived with the sisters. I saw their lifestyle, the life of prayer, community living, mission and other activities of the sisters. I personally experienced the peace, joy and happiness within me, and I feel I am called to live this way of life and to serve the Lord by working in his vineyard. And I am determined to continue my life in the family of Carmel. I find fulfillment in the field of education, teaching the children catechism and other values to grow as good citizens. Also, I find meaning in visiting the families, listening to them and supporting them through prayer. I am very happy with my life and my choice which I have made. I owe gratitude to my family, sisters of the congregation, priests and the friends who have helped me in my life journey. Dear friends, be attentive to the voice of the Lord. He speaks through parents, brothers, sisters, teachers, friends, events, priests and religious, even through unknown person. He invites you to work in his vineyard. What I am is a gift from God, and what I make of myself is my gift to my God. Thank you very much.